For today's video, we will be discussing about solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so let us have some examples. Example 1, x squared plus 6x equals 16, 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0, negative x squared plus 3x plus 28 equals 0. So, let us try to answer number 1. Okay. So, the first step is to rewrite the quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx equals c. So, as you can see in example number 1 is already written in the form ax squared plus bx equals c, wherein a is 1, b is 6, and c is equal to 16. Now, ang gagawin natin dyan, we are going to copy ito. Nandyan po. Sige, copy muna natin. So, meron tayong x squared plus 6x. And then, lagay tayo dito. Yan. Equals 16. Okay. So, ano po ang ilalagay natin yan? So, ang gagawin po natin is gagawin nating perfect square trinomial yung nandito sa left side ng ating equal sign. So, kung anong i-add natin dito, dapat yun din ang i-add natin dito. Since equality po yan. So, ngayon, saan naman natin kukunin kung ano yung ilalagay natin? Or, paano natin to gagawing perfect square trinomial? So, ang gagawin po natin dyan, identify the value of b. So, sa ating example 1, ang b natin dyan ay equal kay 6. Ano ngayon ang gagawin natin kay 6? Ang gagawin po natin dyan, kukunin po natin ang kalahati ni 6. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 6 divide by 2. Whatever is the quotient, i-squared lang po natin. So, in example number 1, we have 6 divided by 2. That is 3. 3 squared is equal to 9. Ngayon, si 9, ayan po ang idadagdag natin dito. Ayan po. Next step. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, meron tayong x squared plus 6x plus 9. So, ikakopy lang po natin yan. So, yung nasa left side natin ngayon ay isa ng perfect square trinomial. And then, simplify po natin yun nandito. 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, next step. Express the perfect square trinomial into a square of binomial. So, paano po natin gagawin yon? So, gawa po tayo dito ng parentheses. Copy the given variable, which is x. And then, since plus po yan, plus din po dito. And then po, lagay po tayo dito pa ng parentheses, tapos squared po. So, yung ilalagay po natin dito, kung ano yung kalahati ng value ng b. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then, equals po kay 25. Okay, next. So, kung makapapansin nyo po, ang ating equation dito, resulting equation natin ay quantity x plus 3 squared, which is a square of binomial, equals 25. After that, applyan po natin siya ng extracting square roots. So, paano po yun? Kunin po natin yung square root nito. And then, Since extracting square roots yung gagamitin natin, huwag po natin kalimutang maglagay ng positive and negative. So, dito po, square root ng quantity x plus 3 squared. So, ang may iwan na lang po dito ay x plus 3. Okay? Dahil po sa square root, tapos may squared naman. So, ang may iwan lang po yung nasa loob. And then, equals positive, negative, kung ano po yung square root ng 25, which is 5. So, dito, ang resulting equation natin, x plus 3 equals positive, negative 5. Para hindi tayo malito, paghihiwalayin natin yan. Para magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang solution. Na is x plus 3 equals 5. So, gagawin natin dyan. Add tayo ng negative 3 dito. Add din tayo ng negative 3 dito. Para ang mangyari, x is equal to 2. So, iyan na po yung ating x sub 1. Sa atin namang x sub 2, since may positive dyan, yung isa, x plus 3 equals negative 5. So, ganun din po ang gagawin natin. Pag nag-add tayo ng negative 3 dyan, by addition property of equality, negative 3. So, 3 plus negative 3 is 0. Hindi na natin kailangan ilagay. Sagot natin dyan, x equals negative 5 plus negative 3 is negative 8. So, ang sagot natin, the roots are positive 2 and negative 8. Positive 2 and negative 8. Okay, here in example number 2, we have 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0. Example number 2, the value of a is 2, the value of b is 8, and the value of c is negative 10. This is written in standard form. So, ang first step po natin lagi ay i-rewrite siya in the form ax squared plus bx equals c. So, ang ating constant term, kailangan ay mailipat natin dito sa ating, sa right side ng equal sign. So, paano po natin gagawin yon? Add ng 10 dito, by addition property of equality. Siyempre, kailangan mag-add din kayo ng 10 dito. Okay, so ang kalalabasan, magkakaroon tayo ng 2x squared plus 8x equals 0 plus 10, that is positive 10. Okay po, ayan po yung ating first step. Ang first step po natin lagi, i-rewrite ang given equation in the form ax squared plus bx equals c. Next, kung mapapansin ninyo, ang value ng a natin ay 2. So, ang gagawin natin, kailangan i-reduce natin yung ating quadratic equation since lahat naman ng coefficients natin dito, 2, 8, and 10 are divisible by 2. So, i-divide po natin sila isa-isa. So, ito, over 2, and then over 2. So, ang ating resulting equation ay x squared plus 4x equals 5. Okay, next. Next step. So, ang ating nasa left side ay kailangan natin gawing perfect square trinomial. So, paano po natin gagawin yon? So, x squared plus 4x. Lagay tayo dito. Okay. We have here equals. And then, 5. So, kung ano i-add natin dyan, kailangan yun din ang i-add natin dito. Ngayon, next step natin, same lang dun sa kanina. Identify the value of B. Here, B is equal to 4. Kukunin natin ang kalahati ni 4. 4 divide by 2. And then, kung ano yung quotient, i-squared lang natin. So, 4 divide by 2 is 2. 2 squared is equal to 4. So, ito po si 4. Ayan po ang ilalagay natin dyan. Okay. So, ito, nasa left side natin, ay isa na siyang perfect square trinomial. So, i-rewrite po natin siya. So, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals. And then, ito, i-simplify natin. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, next. Si perfect square trinomial ay express natin sa square of a binomial. So, whatever is the variable used, ikakopy lang po natin, open parenthesis, and then x. Since positive yan or plus yan, plus ang ilalagay natin dito. And then, close parenthesis, squared. Then, kung ano ang kalahati ni B, since B is equal to 4, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then, equal to 9. Okay. Next, kapag square of binomial na siya, at ganito na yung ating resulting equation, pwede na natin gamitan ng extracting square roots. So, square root po natin to, square root din po natin to, at huwag pong kalimutan ng positive, negative. So, square root of quantity x plus 2 squared, ang may iwan na lang ay ang x plus 2. Then, positive, negative, kunin nyo po ang square root ni 9, which is 3. So, meron na tayong dalawang linear equations na nabuo dyan. We have x plus 2 for our solution 1. We have x plus 2 equals positive 3. And then, yung isa, x plus 2 equals negative 3. Pinaghiwalay ko lang po yan. Okay, let us solve the linear equation or the resulting linear equation. So, dito, x plus 2, since positive 2 yan, para matanggal yan, ang gagawin natin, plus negative 2, syempre dito, magpa-add ka din ng negative 2. So, ang kalalabasan, we have x is equal to 3 plus negative 2. Or 3 minus 2. That is, x is equal to 1. Okay po. Ito naman, same lang din. Add tayo ng negative 2 by addition property of equality plus negative 2. Okay, so, ang matitira na lang sa left side ay si x. And then, negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. So, the roots of quadratic equation number 2, which is 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0, are positive 1 and negative 5. Okay, example number 3, we have negative x squared plus 3x plus 28 equals 0. In solving quadratic equation by completing the square, again, the first step is to transform the given equation in the form ax squared plus bx equals c. So, yung number 3 natin, i-rewrite muna natin siya dito sa format na to. So, dapat si positive 28, malilipat siya sa right side ni equal sign. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, since positive 28 yan, Since positive 28 yan, by addition property of equality, pag nag-add tayo dito ng negative 28, kailangan mag-add din tayo sa kabila ng negative 28. Okay? So, ang mangyayari dyan, ang kalalabasan, is negative x squared plus 3x equals negative 28. Okay, next. So, in this equation, the value of a is negative 1. So, para matanggal natin yung negative sign na yan, i-divide natin yung buong equation by negative 1. So, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So, negative x squared divide by negative 1, since they have the same sign, magiging positive na siya. Then, minus 3x equals 28. So, ang resulting equation natin ay x squared minus 3x equals 28. Okay, next. Next step. Yung nasa left side natin, kailangan gawin natin siyang perfect square trinomial. Kaya yan natawag na completing the square. Kasi kinukomplete natin yung ginagawa natin siyang, yung sa left side natin, ginagawa natin siyang perfect square trinomial. So, ang gagawin natin dito, syempre, copy muna natin to. Copy muna natin. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x squared minus 3x. Okay po. Then, lagay tayo dito. Kung ano man ang i-add natin dyan. Po, yun din po ang i-add natin dito sa ating right side. Ngayon, paano natin malalaman kung ano ang i-add natin? So, identify the value of b. Negative 3. So, para makuha natin yang, so, ang gagawin natin kay negative 3 over 2, and then, quantity squared. So, negative 3 squared, that is 9. 2 squared is equal to 4. So, meron tayong 9 over 4. Yan po ang i-add natin dito. So, 9 over 4. Ayan din po ang i-add din natin dito. 9 over 4. Okay, next. Copy lang po natin. X squared minus 3x plus 9 over 4. Ayan po yung ating perfect square trinomial sa left side. And then, isi-simplify po natin itong nasa right side natin, which is 28 plus 9 over 4. So, ito whole number, ito fraction. So, hindi natin yan basta-basta mai-add agad kasi dissimilar sila. So, anong gagawin natin? Hanapin si LCD. Ang kanilang LCD ay 4. So, since ito ay whole number, ang denominator niyan ay 1. So, 4 divided by 1 times 28, that is 112 plus, dahil plus yan, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 9 is equal to 9. Then, simplify the numerator. So, 112 plus 9 is equal to 121. So, copy our perfect square trinomial. X squared minus 3x plus 9 over 4 equals 121 over 4. Express the perfect square trinomial into square of binomial. So, again, open parentheses, copy the variable used, which is x. And then, since minus to, minus lalagay nyo dyan. Then, close parenthesis squared. So, paano po yun ang ilalagay natin dito? Yung kalahati ng value ni b. So, since ang b natin ay 3, kalahati niya, that is 3 over 2, or 3 halves. Then, equals 121 over 4. Okay, next step, apply extracting square roots. So, square root natin yan, square root din natin to. And don't forget to put positive and negative. So, ang may iwan na lang is x minus 3 over 2. Dito naman, positive, negative. Since 121 is a perfect square, so ang square root ng 121 ay 11. And then 4 is also a perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2. So we have here, on our right side is positive and negative 11 over 2. Okay. Then, solve for the resulting linear equations. So, ang gagawin muna natin dyan, paghihiwalayin muna natin siya. So, yung solution 1 natin, we have x minus 3 over 2 equals positive 11 over 2. Tapos, yung isa naman, dito ko na lang po ilalagay. Dito na lang. Ngayon tayong x minus 3 over 2 equals negative 11 over 2. Okay. So, ito, dahil minus yan, so para matanggal yan, mag-a-add tayo ng positive 3 over 2 both sides. So, dito, add tayo ng 3 over 2. Dito, mag-a-add din tayo ng 3 over 2. Okay po? So, ang matitira na lang dito ay x equals, so, 11 over 2 plus 3 over 2 dahil parehas ang denominator nila. Ibig sabihin, similar fraction sila. So, pwede natin kopyahin lang yung denominator, yung common denominator, which is 2. And then, 11 plus 3, that is 14. Okay po. So, 14 divided by 2, pwede pa po natin i-simplify yan. That is equal to 7. So, ang value ng x natin dito, x is equal to 7. Okay. For our solution number 2, we have x minus 3 halves equals negative 11 over 2. So, same lang din po by addition property of equality. Since this is negative 3 over 2, mag-a-add tayo ng 3 over 2 both sides. Okay. So, ang matitira na lang dito sa ating left side ay si x. And then dito, since they have the same denominator, we just copy the denominator and then simplify the numerator. So, we have negative 11 plus 3. Since they have unlike signs, nagsusubtract tayo. So, ito, negative 11 plus 3, that is negative 8. So, negative 8 over 2, that is equal to negative 4. Okay. So, the roots or the solutions of our example number 3, which is negative x squared plus 3x plus 28 equals 0, are positive 7 and negative 4.